This is going to be super easy. I wanted to update my coffee bar. Now, you can scale this to whatever size you need. I have 6 pieces here, and they're about 8 inches in length. You can get these scrap pieces of wood sometimes at the Dollar Tree. I did cut mine to the size that I wanted, and I painted 3 of them in Wise Owl Snow Owl, and the other 3 I'm painting in Wise Owl Higgins Lake. Now, of course, you're going to pick any color that's going to match your home decor. You can add more detail to them. You could use a stencil. You could add a transfer. Really custom it to match your home. I found these wood letters at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to spell out the word coffee. They're about 1 inch tall, and I just liked the font of them. They're back by the wood section. And then I painted those in Wise Owl Black. And I'm just going to give everything one really good coat, and then I'm going to allow everything to fully dry. Again, if you need this bigger than the one I'm making, you're just going to use bigger pieces of wood and bigger letters. I then took that same paintbrush, and this is almost like a rough cut wood. So I'm going to use the dry brush after I painted my letters, and I'm just going to lightly rub it over the white and blue planks. I just like this added detail and the distressed look that it gives. Once everything dries, I'm going to lay the wood down, rotating between the blue and the white planks. And then I have 2 other pieces of wood, and you want to make sure that they are the length of at least being able to touch some part of all of the pieces of wood to kind of secure it. So I'm using hot glue. You can certainly add in some wood glue. And I did this on both the top and the bottom. Now these are the pieces that come directly from the Dollar Tree, pre-cut to this size. And you're going to add whatever hanger works for you. You could do a couple sawtooth hangers on the back. You're going to want at least 2, one on the left and one on the right, to make it so it doesn't wobble. Or sometimes I just use a really heavy duty Velcro. I'm going to glue my letters down, kind of staggering them on the top. And then I have 3 black hooks. I believe I got these hooks in a pack from Target. You could sometimes find these off Amazon for a really good price as well. I just like to keep them in my craft stash. And I'm just going to add 3 hooks because there's only 2 of us that drink coffee in the house. So I only need to hang 3 coffee cups. And there you go. Super easy, cost effective, and I can't wait to hang it by my coffee bar. Thank you so much for watching. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, mesh stencils, wood cutouts in our subscription can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.